starch. Starch.
Wow.
Ultimately, it's, aside from animal flesh, and sometimes I'm tempted to even say, even including animal flesh, starch is the most dangerous group of food, along with the animal flesh. Because animal flesh, we can't tell you eat animal and don't eat starch. We really need to get rid of both of them.
Wow.
Animal flesh and its byproducts, and starch. It's a very dangerous group of food. And all issues with food combining is centered around that. We don't break it down well, and ultimately it breaks us down. You know, ultimately it
I
breaks
like
us
that.
down.
We don't break it down well, and ultimately it breaks us down.